In this lesson, we will learn how to fix the spelling and grammar using ChatGPT. Let's say you have a text or even a lengthy paragraph and you want to check the spelling and grammar. You can easily achieve this with ChatGPT. With that, you can also return the explanations of what was wrong in the text or paragraph. Let's see how. Here is our ChatGPT. Go to new chat. Now let's say I have a text. Okay, my name is Amit Diwan and I have a website, Studiopedia. Okay, let me remove this and this also. Now this is a text. I want to check the spelling. What I'll write? Fix the spelling and grammar of the following text. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now I'll write it again and I just want to, let's say I just want to return the corrected text. I'm just trying it here because I don't want this to come. Okay, that's it, fine. It removed the following. I never wanted this. Now I want to know what was wrong in my text. So what I'll do, I'll just return the explanations of what was wrong. Okay, so it has given us the explanations. Okay, so guys, in this way we can easily fix the grammar and spelling of any text or paragraph with ChatGPT. I can save it, I can rename it, fix the grammar, let's say. Okay, thank you for watching the video.